Hello, receiving students, 6C, and teachers. Thank you. You may take your seats. All right, in our last lesson, we looked at model planning, and you were asked to draw a diagram of a simple toy. Okay, that was what we did in our previous lesson. Okay, receiving teachers, 6C, and students, we are still looking at the same strand, same outcome. And our topic for today's lesson is construction of model. But before we go through our today's lesson, I want you to answer these two questions. All right? Receiving students in 6C, what is another word for function? What is another word for function? Receiving students, you can tell your teacher. Ellen, thank you.
Work.
Work, very good. Madhu?
Work or operate.
Work or operate, very good. Okay, correct. So these answers are correct. Now, my next question to you, receiving students and 6C, what is another word for design? What is another word for design? Newman. Thank you, Newman.
A plan or design.
A plan or a design, okay? We can say another word for design, a plan. What else? Same old ends. Let's have someone. Rudolph, thank you.
Drawing.
Drawing, very good. So another word for design is drawing, or we can also say plan. Oh, Jason, one from you. Last one from you. Thank you. Okay, plan or drawing something to be made. Okay, this is the meaning of the word design. Okay, very good. Thank you, receiving students, and 6C for your answers. All right, let's get straight to our activity, receiving students and 6C. Now, let's look at instruction number 1. Okay, since we are constructing a model, first of all, you will study the diagram of a simple toy that you have drawn. So, receiving students and 6C, you should have the diagram placed on your tables, okay, or desk. I want you to have a look at the diagrams that you have drawn of a simple toy, and you study the diagram. Just have a look at your diagram. After that, instruction number 2, check that you have the materials needed for the construction of the toy. Okay? So after studying the diagram of a simple toy, now you should check the necessary materials needed for the construction of the toy. So check that you have all the materials. Okay, good. The next instruction, instruction number 3, you will construct a simple toy and demonstrate how it works. So after studying the diagram and checking all the materials, by now you will construct a simple toy and you will demonstrate to the class how it will be working. Okay? Are we following, receiving students and 6C? Okay, very good. Okay, you can start now. You can start constructing your simple toys. Okay, receiving students and 6C, I will give you 10 minutes to construct a simple toy.
Excuse you, but not going to do it. We should have provided. Oh, problem. Don't. Just leave it.
Okay, you have last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Are we done? No, theater. Okay, that's a very good model. Nice one. You can make it fast.
Somebody go to and get something. But we didn't write story in there. But it's okay, leave it like that. No, don't. Put them, I mean, put them in.
That's okay. Put it inside. Put it inside. Put the barrel inside. Okay, that's enough. Okay, receiving students and 6C, by now you should have completed constructing a simple toy. Okay, so let's have one group to come up to the front. Come up to the front and show your simple toy to the receiving students and your friends in the model class and demonstrate how it will work. Are we following receiving students and 6C? Okay, thank you. So let's have one group to come to the front. Okay, thank you. Okay, you will tell the students and our friends, our receiving students, what is the toy made up of and how it works. Thank you, Emmanuel.
Me and my group made a simple toy car with a oil container and the leads acting like a wheel and the nail acting like an axle.
Okay. Can you demonstrate to us how it works? Okay, very good. So, Emmanuel's group have constructed a simple toy car. And receiving students and 6C, how did the toy car work? By by pulling it, okay? Very good. Thank you, Emmanuel and Joe, for coming up to the front and demonstrate to the receiving students and 60. Give them 3 big claps. Thank you. Let's have one more group. One more group. Come to the front. Thank you. Okay, Ashanti, you tell the receiving students and 60 what type of materials you use to construct that simple toy, and you also tell us how it will work or how it works. Thank you, Ashanti.
This is a simple model of an aeroplane. We used cardboard, A4 papers, and container lids to construct the model. And how it works, just fly it in the air.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Ashanti and Laka, for your demonstration and answers. Thank you very much. Okay? Thank you, receiving students, and 60 for your efforts in constructing a simple toy. So let's give ourselves 3 big claps. Thank you. Now, our summary for today's lesson, 60 and receiving students. Okay, this is our summary. And our keyword for today's lesson is constructing. That's our keyword, constructing. And our next lesson topic will be on how the earth was formed. Okay? That will be our next lesson topic. And these are the materials that will be needed for the next lesson. Receiving teachers and students and 60, please take note of that. With that, thank you, receiving students, teachers, and 60 for your participation, and you have a nice day with your teacher.